Hey guys, so today I'll be testing two more store-bought slime, either slime or putty. I'm not really sure. This one says Pearl Putty, but it is from Toy Smith, and I've tried a few of their slimes before. I'll link that in the description. Those turned out great, so I'm kind of curious when I saw these how they would turn out. And so this one is called Pearl Putty. It's from Toy Smith. And it's from World Market, and it's cool. It has pearl in it. And this is called Goo Buddies, and the packaging is kind of beat up, but you know, all of them are like that, so I just grabbed one. And so this one's pink. Toy Smith. It says Goob Filled Fun, so I guess it doesn't really specify whether it's slime or putty, but this one says Pearl Putty. And so this is pink, and it is 1.34 ounces. This is 1.94 ounces. Definitely say this is more of a putty than slime, although it's really close to slime. It's not like super clicky, or it doesn't really have many bubble pops, and it's not really that stretchy, but it is like a putty. It's like in between a putty and a slime, and it's really nice and clear, so I thought this was a lot of fun. It also comes in a cute container with a little face on it, and then this one is the pearl, so I thought that was cute.